Sure. Here's a recipe for Khanom Jeen Nam Ya, a delicious Thai dish featuring fermented rice noodles served with a fragrant fish curry sauce. Ingredients. For the curry sauce: 500 g white fish fillets, e.g., tilapia or cod, 2 to 3 cups coconut milk, 2 cups water or fish broth, 3 to 4 kaffir lime leaves, torn into pieces, 2 to 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. For the curry paste: 3 to 4 dried red chilies, soaked and seeded, 5 to 6 cloves garlic, 5 to 6 shallots, 2 to 3 lemongrass stalks, finely chopped, 1-inch piece galangal, sliced, 1 tablespoon shrimp paste, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. For the noodles: 500 g fermented rice noodles, Khanom Jeen. For the garnishes: bean sprouts, sliced cucumbers, shredded cabbage, fresh herbs, e.g., Thai basil, cilantro, lime wedges, hard-boiled eggs, halved, optional. Instructions: prepare the curry paste. Toast the spices. In a dry skillet, toast the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and black peppercorns until fragrant. Let cool. Then grind to a fine powder. Make the paste. In a mortar and pestle or food processor, combine the ground spices with the soaked chilies, garlic, shallots, lemongrass, galangal, shrimp paste, and turmeric powder. Pound or blend until a smooth paste forms. Set aside. Prepare the curry sauce. Cook the fish. In a large pot, bring 2 cups of water or fish broth to a boil. Add the fish fillets and cook until they are just done. Remove the fish, let it cool, and then flake the flesh into small pieces. Set aside. Simmer the coconut milk. In the same pot, add the coconut milk and bring to a gentle simmer. Stir in the curry paste and simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Add the fish. Add the flaked fish, torn kaffir lime leaves, fish sauce, sugar, and salt to the pot. Simmer for another 10 minutes, adjusting the seasoning to taste. If the sauce is too thick, add more water or broth to reach your desired consistency. Prepare the noodles. Cook the noodles. If using fresh fermented rice noodles, they are usually ready to eat after a quick rinse. If using dried noodles, follow the package instructions to cook them. Then rinse under cold water. Assemble the dish. Serve. Place a portion of fermented rice noodles in a serving bowl. Ladle the hot fish curry sauce over the noodles. Garnish. Arrange the bean sprouts, sliced cucumbers, shredded cabbage, fresh herbs, lime wedges, and hard-boiled eggs if using, around the bowl or on a separate platter for diners to add as they like. Enjoy your homemade Khanom Jeen Nam Ya, a flavorful and aromatic Thai dish. Khanom Jeen Nam Ya is a traditional Thai dish featuring fermented rice noodles served with a rich and aromatic fish curry. It is a beloved comfort food in Thailand, known for its unique combination of textures and flavors. Key elements: fermented rice noodles. Khanom Jeen. Noodles. The rice noodles used in this dish are fermented, giving them a distinctive tangy flavor and chewy texture. These noodles are made from rice flour and water, left to ferment for a few days before being formed into thin strands and cooked. Fish curry, Nam Ya. Curry. The fish curry sauce or Nam Ya is made from a base of fresh fish, often combined with coconut milk for a creamy texture. The curry paste includes ingredients such as dried chilies, garlic, shallots, lemongrass, galangal, and spices like coriander and cumin, creating a complex and fragrant sauce. Fish. The fish used in the curry is typically white fish, which is cooked, flaked, and then simmered in the curry sauce to absorb all the flavors. Serving and garnishes. Khanom Jeen Nam Ya is typically served with a variety of fresh vegetables and herbs, which add crunch and freshness to the dish. Common garnishes include bean sprouts, adding a crisp texture. Cucumbers, providing a refreshing contrast. Shredded cabbage, adding more crunch and freshness. Herbs. Thai basil and cilantro are commonly used for their aromatic qualities. Lime wedges, for a zesty kick. Hard-boiled eggs, sometimes included for added richness. Cultural significance. Khanom Jeen Nam Ya is often enjoyed as a breakfast or lunch dish in Thailand. It is a popular choice for special occasions and gatherings, reflecting the communal aspect of Thai dining culture. The dish's balance of spicy, tangy, and creamy elements exemplifies the complexity and harmony of Thai cuisine. Variations. There are several regional variations of Khanom Jeen Nam Ya, with different types of curry sauces and accompaniments. For example, Nam Ya Pa, a version with a more robust, fish-based curry without coconut milk. Nam Ya Katie, a richer version with extra coconut milk for a creamier texture. Overall, Khanom Jeen Nam Ya is a dish that captures the essence of Thai culinary traditions, combining fermented noodles with a flavorful fish curry and fresh vegetables, creating a meal that is both satisfying and deeply flavorful.